Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how we can create a QR generator app with the help of MIT App Inventor. So let's click on the new project and my project name is QR generator. Here, this is our first screen. In the left side, you will find the option of layouts. So just drag and drop one layout here is like vertical arrangement and make this hide and width is fill parent like this. Now you can change the background color according to your requirement. And now here, save it. Now, click on user interface and drag and drop one text box. And just drag and drop one button also. Now I'm going to just make both things in a center like this. And I need one image also, so that will display my QR code. Okay. Now click on this button and just type here generate QR code. Okay, so whenever someone put anything in that text box, that will generate the QR code for that. You can put here the text, you can put the website name or anything URL you can put here. Now let me just make that as width is at least 80% and the QR generator button is also the 80%. And I can change the background color of this to something black, but I need to change the text color to the white and make it font bold. Generate QR code, okay? And that image will display as a QR, okay? Here, we required one more component. So just close this user interface, layout, and just go down and see the connectivity and just drag and drop that WAV. Just drag and drop this, cool. Now, let's go to the block here. So whenever someone click on this button one, okay, then just click on WAV and here you will find here the encoder. Just scroll down and here you can see the URI encode. Just drag and drop this. Now here you can see that this is the text, okay, we need to call. So text is our text box one.text, but we require here to call the API also. So open the Google and just type here QR server. So once you type QR server, you will see your api.qrserver.com. Open this. I'll give you that link in the description. Remove that example from here. Copy that URL. Go here and use the text and just drag and drop this and paste it here. Now I need to use the join like this. And I'm going to use here one more string between this. Now I have the first is that URL. Okay. And then I need to call here simple text is plus and then my text box one.text. I need to get the result in the image format. So click on the image and see the set image.picture. Call this, remove this and add this here. That's it. Yes, it's easy like that. Now let's go to the AI companion. I'm going to just test this. So you can see this is our app. Now let's put something here. Suppose the codingbus.info and click on generate QR code. And you can see this is the QR code generated and this is the coding bus QR code. So whenever someone scan this, so they will redirect to the codingbus.info. So this is the simplest way to create your own QR code app using the MIT App Inventor itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask and comment. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.